Hello everyone, welcome. My name is Cathy Yang. Today we will be very excited to learn the G major scale. What is the G major scale? Let's take a moment to review.
It's the piece in the G key. In Erhu notation, the number 5 with dot equal D. It is open string in D string. Number 6 with dot equal E. Number 7 with dot equal F sharp. Number 1 equal G. Then we change from D to A string. Number 2 equal A. It is open string on A string. Number 3 equal B. Number 4 equal C. Number 5 equal D. To indicate an octave lower, a dot is placed below the number, which means the low octave of 5, 6, and 7.
I understand that this might be a bit confusing and hard to grasp, but I hope you can follow along with my video as you look at the sheet music. Let's play through it step by step. This is G major scale. See you next week.